Now let me tell you that our cheekbone provides an attachment to 5 muscles, but among these only 2 originate from the zygomatic bone. Those 2 muscles are zygomaticus major that helps us to smile and zygomaticus minor which elevates our upper lip. Now the other 3 muscles involved are first the masseter muscle, which is a powerful muscle that closes the jaw. It originates at the zygomatic arch and spreads from here to the lower jaw, providing enough pulling power to snap the lower jaw shut. Usually, pain in this muscle is commonly reported to be a leading cause of zygomatic arch pain. Secondly, we have the lateral palpebral ligament, which is a part of the levator palpebrae superioris. The levator palpebrae superioris elevates the upper eyelid. Its ligament is attached to the frontosphenoidal process of the zygomatic bone. That is why its attachment is an important thing to be discussed here. Okay, so thirdly we have the levator labii superioris, which originates from the maxillary border of the zygomatic bone. The levator labii superioris stretches from under the eye sockets to the muscles of the upper lip. Its origin is at both the maxillary process of the zygomatic bone and the zygomatic process of the maxilla bone. It is also known as alicae nasi. Now, like the zygomaticus muscle, it elevates the upper lip, but more centrally. When you lift your upper lip to show your teeth, you are making good use of your levator labii superioris. A very interesting fact to tell you guys is that the same muscle, which is the levator labii superioris, dilates the nostrils of the horses. To remember these 3 muscles, we can use a mnemonic. So the mnemonic is men laugh less, where M stands for masseter muscle, L stands for levator palpebral ligament, and L stands for levator labii superioris. So remember, we have now a bunch of 5 muscles that were zygomaticus major, zygomaticus minor, the masseter muscle, the levator palpebral ligament, and the levator labii superioris. That's a wrap up. Now you guys have a good understanding about the anatomy, the landmarks, and the features of the zygomatic bone, which forms our face and it gives it a better shape. So whenever you smile or make any facial expressions, you're going to remember this bone.